My name is Dennis Mlambo. I'm from TIA, looking after the ICT business unit portfolio. What TIA does is providing funding basically to the startups and technology innovators out there in the market, be from universities and in the communities and in all these SMMEs as well. They can actually come to TIA for funding. They apply to TIA. We've got different funding instruments. That is for innovations that are sitting at TRL 1 to 3. Then they qualify for grassroots funding. TRL 3 to 4, they qualify for seed funding and technology development fund, which is TDF. Then from Technology Readiness Level 4 to 9, they qualify for what we call TDF, funding. There's other different funding instruments that we actually also provide to our innovators that are sitting at TRL 8 and TRL 9. Then if you're sitting at TRL 9, then you're fully commercialized, you then go for other fundings that are offered by government. But in a nutshell, TIA is there to actually make an impact through its funding model within the National System of Innovation. And we are actually contributing towards developing our society through our funding instruments. We work with the whole ecosystem and looking at getting other partners within the NSI that can actually assist us in making an impact in the society.